In this video, so this is the point of intersection of two graphs. So let's turn on my coordinate. Okay, let's run a like example. So let's say we have a straight line. Siyazi ukuthi uma udraw igraph kuba nama-coordinate mhlawumbe lapha u2 map 4. Siyazi i-coordinate liba no-x map y. And if the straight line go f, because let's say we have an equation f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Because sithola u4 sithatha u2 simsubstitute esikhundleni sa-x bese sesithola balapha u4, right? Simhlambe la x plus 2 sithatha u2 simfaka lapha sithola u4. So ngamanye amagama siyazi ukuthi u4 lo umele u-y. Mhlambe lana kuzoba u1 map 2 yabo y lo. So i-coordinate libo x map y, which is the same as x map f of x. Ngoba f of x no y into eyi-1. So uma substitute u2 shuthi ngapha kuzoba no f of 2. Right, zonke lezi zinto zo3 zimele bani y. So let's say kuba ne graph efike iyojika lapha iparabola asithi g. Lapha kulela point ngithi neparabola na ihamba iba nama-coordinates everywhere na. So u-y ka-g lapha u2, u-y ka-f straight line u2. So because kulela point u-y wa-g uyalingana no-y ka-f. So obo-y bayalingana. Siyazi ukuthi u-y umelelwe u-y iyafana no-f of x. So la kushuthi sino f of x. Siyazi futhi ukuthi u-y uyafana no-g at x. So la sino g at x. So yabona sekuphuma lento esisebenzisayo sibizwa ukuthi siya equator. Equating meaning ukuthi ufaka ama-expression awu2. Uthi ama-equation or ama-graph ayalingana bo, equal sign. Equating kusho ukuthi local left kuyalingana no right. Yeah, so let's get some examples esibona. Right, so manje la 1.1, we should find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the graphs. Na graph parabola, na graph straight line. So mhlambe ukuba bekuzomela siplot maybe le ime kanje. Right, maybe le straight line is negative mhlambe sime kanje. So point of intersection ile na le, yabo? Yeah. Kodwa wena into siyazi ukuthi since lama graph they intersect, so we know ukuthi u-y somewhere kulama point awu2, u-y wala, u-y ka-g yalingana no-y ka-f, nala u-y ka-g yalingana no-y ka-f. So we have y which is equals to y. U-y umelele ubani? U-f of x. U-g umelele ubani? umelele u-g at x. So you should always, before you equate, make sure with the equation that you can go y equals 2. Y equals 2. Now we know 2x plus y equals to 3. Lana you cannot just equate. Melu thathe lo aqala jumpa engale. Sibe no minus 2x plus 3. Lo jumpile waba negative. Now you can equate. Ngoba sekuno y. Kuyensiza lana f of x ulingana nalento, so we can replace f of x using le nto le. So x squared plus 6x plus 14 equals 2. I can replace g at x ngale nto engale, so no minus 3x minus 4. So mawenza nje point of intersection man, just take ama-equation yalo graph yawa equator bese ususolve x. So kumele algebra yakho ibe on point. You should be able to factorize, solve for x, or yeah. Zonke izinto nje zokusenza for solve x. So now we have a quadratic. Uma quadratic sithatha yonke into sibuyisa one side. Siyenze siyibhale ku standard form. So la soba plus 6x, lo abuye ngapha plus 3x plus 14. Lo 4 abuye ngapha zobo plus 4 equals to 0. Hlanganisa ama like terms plus 9x. Lo nalo kuzoba plus 18 equals to 0. So we have to factorize when I can use quadratic formula of a grand. So no x, 703, 706, 7 plus plus 3 times 6 yaphuma 18, 6x plus 3x yaphuma. So x will equal to minus 6 and x will equal to minus 3. Because it's the point of intersection yenzakala x o minus 6 no x o minus 3 yabo. Yes, I guess right. But bafuna ama-coordinates. So this is x wakhona la nangu x wakhona. Kuze sithole u-y kumele sithathe minus 6 simfaka noma yikuphi. Ngothanda umfaka la noma umfaka la kuphume answer 1. Kodwa kulula ngapha. Thatha minus 6 simfake lapha kuzoba u18 minus 4 kube u14. Thatha minus 3 simfake lapha kuzoba u9 minus 4 kube u5. So nanka ama-coordinates wethu. Yeah. Right, so now we have to find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Qala kumele check ukuthi what type of ama-graphs la ne. So ngithe awukwazi u-equator kungasu y i-subject of the formula. So the first thing kumele senze la ukusolve y, make y the subject of the formula. So la kumele divide ngo-x both sides. So siba no 4 over x. Ngapha kumele sithathe u-x ayingaso siba no y equals to minus x plus 4. So obviously we have a hyperbola, we have a straight line. So manje siyazi ukuthi ku point of intersection so la le sothi sinoba la le maybe soyithola la nala le maybe izoba negative indlela ku4 mhlambe ithanda ukuba nje. So kumele sithole ukuthi i-point of intersection yenzakala kuphi. So now we say y alingana no y because vele y alingana no y. So y wala 4 over x, y wala it's minus x plus 4. So now we have to solve for x. Asikwazi ukusolve for x engaphansi. So to remove law, we should multiply every term by x. Shilo ngathi i-algebra yakho kumele ibe on point. Yabo mase multiply ngo-x la nalana multiply ngo-x nala multiply ngo-x every time. Multiply ngo-x kuyosala u4, multiply ngo-x kuyosala x squared, multiply ngo-x kuyosala u4x. Since it's a quadratic, yonke into one side. Yabo sibhale ku standard form. Lo abuye ngapha kuzoba x squared, lo abuye ngapha kuzoba minus 4x, lo vele ungapha kuzoba plus 4 equals to 0. Then we have to factorize. We can use quadratic. We know 2, we know minus, minus. So we have x equals to 2 and x is equals to 2. So kumele sithole ke manje ukuthi ubani le. Thatha u2 simsubstitute kunoma yipi. Yophuma answer efanayo yabo. Faka lapha 4 minus 2 2, 4 divided by 2 2. Cause lapha kuzoba 2. So if efana yabo 2 maybe 2 kuyafana. Yabo ngithi awona lento le if turning point kuma x-axis kuyafana yabo maku 3 lapha chaza ukuthi ifike ithinta ku3 ka2. So nala chaza ukuthi kushuthi le i-tangent yabo kushuthi lo line uyi-tangent yala. Right, so sithole an example. Right, so now we have an exponential graph and a straight line. Ngoba la it's y equals to a number chaza ukuthi nje sinento. Okay, le it's going to be an increasing function. Le y is equals to a number. Point of intersection is over lapha. Or somewhere up. Well, it's just a rough sketch. So we know y will equal to y obviously because they are intersecting. This y equals to 2x plus 1. Low y will equals to 8. So very with grade 12 we introduce the logs. Grade 11 we make the base the same. So 2 very obvious when since I'm base 2 8 is over 2 raised by 3. Then we drop the exponents. We drop the exponents. So x plus 1 equals to 3. Lo jump ngale. X will equals to 2. Then let's check ukuthi ke y izoba ubani. Sithatha u-2 simfaka lapha. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 raised by 3 is 8. So point of intersection will be 2, map 8. So yeah, I think this is 8 for a point of intersection yabo. Ngisho ngabe intende kanjani. Mhlawumbe x plus y equals to 20. This is equation yani ye-circle. Singa-add nje yabo, this is just equation ye-circle. And then bathi kune straight line y is equal to x plus 4. But they intersect. Lana making y the subject to the formula like it's gonna be hard. So you can just solve these two simultaneously, because y is solving, just say this is equation 1, level equation 2, this will substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Because we konke la khona yabo. Because now lama equator kufanele we are substituting law esikhundleni sa y, yabo, law, yabo. This will be our equation 1, equation 2. We're substituting equation 1 into equation 2. Because with equation 2, konke la kuno y is 8. So yabona le step. So substitute no equator we are fine. So la esikhundleni sa y, yabo, sino x plus esikhundleni sa y so faka x plus 4. Esikhundleni sa y sifaka x plus 4 equals to 20. Bese ke siyaqhubeka. Yeah, so intersection should be easy magic. Thank you.